What's up everybody, Derek Ting here. Today I'm reviewing the DJI Copilot by LaCie. Here we go. So this is a collaboration between DJI and LaCie, and obviously Seagate owns LaCie. They are two separate companies, DJI and Seagate, but they've come together to prepare a drive for you so that, let's say you're out in the field and you're flying your drone, you're not necessarily going to want to whip out your laptop. However, most people carry around their smartphone or smart device, and so it would be very convenient for you to offload those files that's on a very small mini SD card onto some sort of backup. So up until now, technology for hard drives really hasn't changed much. It's really about capacity and the type of drive you're buying, whether it's solid state or non-solid state. But that stuff is changing rapidly in the last couple of years. Now specifically though, I think around the software of what LaCie has developed and the connectivity of this hard drive, which I think is very important for you to take a look at. What it does is it has different connectivity to your smart device, to your smartphone, to your iPad. And there's an app that you got to download. And once you download the app, you can connect it. You connect the hard drive directly to your phone or iPad, and it holds all your stuff, and you're able to review the photos and videos real time, and carry around a larger capacity. Like the drive that I have is 2 terabytes, which opens up the other possibility, though, which is quite interesting, is that you may not want to bring your laptop out anymore. I, as a writer, like to write on my iPad, actually, so you actually have to bring the mini SD adapter, so that like you have a full-size SD card and you slot in the mini SD in there. That one little boggled me a little bit in terms of the way it was engineered. So who's the drive for? I think actually if you work a lot with photos and videos, maybe on a professional level, or maybe as a hobbyist level, this might be a really good option because if you're out in the field, then you can access the files really fast. Obviously, if you're flying the drone all the time and you want to just make sure you have all the data, then this is a good option too. But not everyone's flying a drone, of course. But also I think travelers are really going to appreciate this because it's kind of like a compact drive. You don't have to necessarily get a case because it's got that rugged feel, and it's got all the access ports. So you can plug it into your laptop, plug it into your smart device, and you're backing up your photos on the fly. Maybe you're a backpacker and you don't want to bring your laptop out. You just want an iPad. This might be a really good option. So I like the possibilities. I like where things are going, and as the software improves, as the hardware improves, and all the stuff together, I am really excited about where the hard drive technology is going. If you like this video, please definitely click that like button. I would love for you to subscribe so we can talk to you next time. Also, to help this channel, just click any of those Amazon links or any of those product links. If you do decide to purchase stuff like this or anything that I recommended, I'd really appreciate it because it'd help me grow the channel. All right, until next time.